Hello guys, so I finally decided to upgrade my cheap 10 pound or even less mouse just to complement my very expensive purchase for this Keychron K2HE keyboard because I don't think it goes with it. It looks really bad with it. So I have decided to complement this purchase and buy another Keychron product, which is the Keychron M7. So here is just an unboxing and first impressions for it. This is the 8K version, 8K polling rate. I think there is a 4K polling rate as well. This is the white one. It's available also in black. And let's see what's inside. It's the usual Keychron unboxing experience. Come on. Yeah, here we go. And here's your phone and the manual that you will never read. And oh, that's a very nice braided white cable to go with the white mouse. Yeah, and here is USB-A to USB-C conversion. And I think also this is the Wi-Fi dongle. This is the Wi-Fi dongle. And this is a USB-A to C adapter, I think. Yeah. So I think I will just need this one because I will operate it wirelessly, but we will see. Okay. So, and here is the mouse itself. Oh, that looks nice. Yeah, here you go. This is the look for the first look for the mouse. Yeah. Oh, that's much better than my old one. Oh, the clicks are very nice. It's very, very light compared to the other one. Because this one has batteries inside. It's battery operated, like normal AA battery. But this one is chargeable and it's very light. Oh, and the clicks are very, very nice compared to this one. This is totally different than this, but this is quieter and nicer to press. Okay. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's peel this. I like peeling things. Yeah, here we go. It's not sticky. Of course, you want it to glide, not to stick to the table. Yeah, that's satisfying. And this one as well. Yeah, here we go. And the final one. Yeah, that looks really nice. Yeah, it's very smooth in here. And in terms of the feel in the hand, it's bigger than my previous one. To be honest, it feels a little bit bulky in my hand, but it's very smooth. It's gliding very, very smoothly. This one, you can hear the scratches. This one is very, very smooth. Although, of course, it needs like a mouse pad or thumb or something. But I will buy this another day. Yeah, but this looks really nice. This is the DPI switcher. I think it goes up to 26,000 DPI. And there is an off button here, and this is the Wi-Fi, and this is Bluetooth. And I don't know what this button for. RPT, I don't know what's that, to be honest. Yeah, but we will see. Yeah, so I'm happy with this purchase. Hopefully I will update you with the performance of the mouse, and because there is a software that I need to explore as well for it and see for the full functionality. But this is the first look for this M7 mouse. I think it's a gaming one because it's 8K. It has all the features for gaming mouse. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. Thank you.